Hey there, Lauren here, and I'm back with another hair video. I got a new camera, so I'm going to be trying it out. See, I'm looking over to the side, but you know, I'm getting used to this sort of situation. I hope the audio is good. I hope the picture is good. We'll see how it goes. And this camera was a recommendation from Professor Stamps. If you watch Kelly Stamps on YouTube, this is the camera she said to get, so I got it naturally. All right, so I'm going to do regular twist out like I usually do. I have my hair out for Christmas, so it's probably looking super ragged. Very much out. It smells nice though, but it is super dirty. And I'm going to be using the entire Mielle Organics Rice Water line. I've been using it like off and on a little bit, but I've never used them all together. I'll give you my little review on how I think it is. I'm going to be using the shampoo. I've never used a shampoo before. So this, I'll even do a deep condition. I'm going to do the deep condition with the rice water deep conditioner, and then I'll style with the moisturizing milk. Okie dokie. I'm going to wash my hair. I'll be right back. I just want to say, you get a pretty good lather. It's thin, but you get a pretty good lather. Look at that. Cool. A word of advice from me to you: don't wash your hair when your gels are lifting, because they will snag your hair. You will cry. At least I did. So now I'm here picking off little parts that are ripping out my hair, and now my hair is suffering, and also my nails are suffering. Everything is suffering. Anyways, I'm gonna deep condition my hair next. The rice water. Let's see. Let me try out those new camera capabilities. Do I have to do that? Do I? Probably not. I think right there. Okay, fine. I'll take it. So this whole like rice water thing is so it's supposed to retain length. Excellent for length retention. That's what the moisturizing milk says. And this one says it also has aloe vera, deep condition, give your dry, damaged hair a boost of rice water, yuzu, and aloe vera. These ingredients help reduce split ends, frizz, and breakage, hydrate, and protect your hair by adding nourishment. Each strand is left feeling shiny and silky. This is next. But my hair is super wet, so I'm gonna go get a towel. I will say my bathroom smells super nice because of these products, so they smell good. At least the shampoo does. I remember last time I used the, what's that thing called? This one and this one. And it just smelled like hair salon, like generic hair chemical hair salon, which I didn't like. It's really boring. I don't like that smell. I hate it. I don't like this. I thought I was gonna sneeze. No. I really don't like holding this on my shoulders because it's very uncomfortable. We'll see how long I can hold it there. I also have not detangled my hair, so this might be a struggle. Well, we'll see. Back to the front. Ooh. I'm dripping already. I hate this. Not having fun. Not liking this. Oh, I need a bag for my hair. I'm not prepared. Okay, let me just do this over the sink. So it's been like 20 minutes, 25 minutes, and I should probably have it, but I don't. The deep conditioner said to leave it for 15 to 20 minutes. I got distracted. Anyway, it's been 25. The little baggie on my head. And I'm gonna rinse it out, and then I'm gonna do the styling with the rice water. Moisturizing milk. So that'll be happening now. So weird how it does this little like beading thing, like how it beads up on my hair. Weird. Anyways. Oh. Never gonna do this. This right here. You see that? Why is it backwards? I don't like that. My camera died on me, but this is them all done. I'm probably just gonna wear them tomorrow. I have this like really intense split right down the middle of my hair. Also trimmed some of these because I know they were looking a little ragged. Trim this one, this one, this one, a few of them. And I'm probably gonna wear it tomorrow half up, half down, because I have this crazy, something called part down the middle of my head. So I'll just wear it like the ants. Call it a day. But I'd say the hair milk is good. My twist is super juicy. This would make a good twist out, I'm sure. They feel moisturized. Like, let's see. I don't know, I got the flakiest eyebrows right now. Okay, there we go. So that's it. Thank you for watching. So I know I said that was the end of the video, but and that I was gonna wear my hair the way that I said I was, with like half up, half down, which I did. Insert exhibit A. Okay, and so this is the next day. I took it out. It looks like this now. See that? See that? Great. See, I figured it would make a good twist out, and it did. I like it. It's nice. I think I definitely need a haircut, or at least to shape my hair in some nice way. I mean, it still frames my face in a decent way. Sorry, I'm trying to avoid getting a shadow with my light. But yeah, it still frames my face in a nice way. But this is what my twist out looks like with the Rice Water Hair Milk by Mielle Organics. And that was it. I put a little bit of like shea butter on my hands when I untwisted my hair, but I didn't put any like extra product or things. This is just my twist out. Anyways, I just wanted to share that because I think if you wanted to go for a twist out, you could. It would look good. It looks, oh, I'm not even looking at the camera. I'm so sorry. It looks like this. This is what my hair looks like. Anyways, for all this time, thank you for watching. Much appreciated. Goodbye.